Today, we are going to show you how to change the watch face on your Garmin watch. In this video, we will be using the Fenix 6 Pro Edition, but the steps also apply to many of our other premium watches. For this video, we will be showing you how to download watch faces from the Connect IQ store and create your own custom watch faces using Garmin Faceit. First, we will cover installing watch faces from the Garmin Connect IQ store. Connect IQ offers thousands of downloads to customizing your watch. To get started, make sure your watch is paired with the Garmin Connect app. Then, install the Garmin Connect IQ app to your phone. To begin, open the Connect IQ store app. If you have multiple devices, select the one you would like to customize. The main screen will show top downloads for watch apps, data fields, music services, watch faces, and widgets. In this video, we will only be guiding you through installing a watch face. However, this process will be similar for those other Connect IQ downloads. If you have more than one Garmin watch and need to choose the watch you want to modify, select My Device. Then, select the three dots icon at the top right of the screen. Tap Select Device. Choose the watch you want to change. Then we can go back to the main Connect IQ store page. Select Search and then Watch Faces at the top. The list is sorted by the most popular, but you can also search by design or title at the top. In this example, we will select Lachesis Lite from the main list. On the Info tab, you can review information about the download, including screenshots. To install the watch face, select Install. The installation will begin and will take a few minutes to complete. To check on the status, you can go back to the main Connect IQ screen and press on the My Device icon. When complete, the watch face on the watch will change automatically to the installed one. In addition, some Connect IQ downloads offer customization. To access the available settings, select the app type and then the title of the installed download. Select the settings icon and adjust the available options to fit your preferences. Once the changes are complete, select Save and the changes will automatically sync to your watch. In this section, we will cover using Garmin Faceit. This allows you to use your own photos as a watch face. To get started, make sure your watch is paired with the Garmin Connect app. You will also need to download the Garmin Connect IQ app if you have not done so already. To begin, open the Connect IQ Store app. Select Faceit. We first need to select a photo to use as our background. Select the plus icon. Select either Camera to take a new photo or Photos to search your phone. You may need to allow the Connect IQ app to access your photos. After you add your photo, the default analog watch face will be shown. Now you can pinch to zoom the photo or press and hold to move it. Now we can scroll through the available watch face designs to find the one you like best. Simply touch the desired watch face to select it. Data fields on a watch face can be moved by touching and dragging them wherever you want. Next, we can set the accent color by selecting the paint can icon. Then, select a color. The last field allows you to adjust the style of watch face elements like watch hands or the font. Select the time icon and choose one of the styles. Once you are finished, select Done to name your watch face. Your watch face will now be privately stored in the cloud. Select Got It to proceed. Select Install to download it to your watch. Once the automatic sync is complete, select the Faceit watch face from the Watch Face menu on your Garmin watch. And that's it. Thanks for watching. To learn more about your watch, please visit support.garmin.com.